Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is fifth question of its exercise 2.4. So the question says that Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of its mother's present age. What are their present ages? So let the present age of Shobo's be x. So age of mother is equal to 6 times a, so 6x. Then after 5 years, Shobo's age is equal to x plus 5. So हमें according to the question, after 5 years, Shobo's age will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So हो जाएगा 1/3 into 6x. So हो जाएगा x plus 5. 3 से 6 2 time is equal to 2x. So 2x, x को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे, minus x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. Then present age of Shobo is equal to x is equal to 5 year. Then present age of mother is equal to 6x is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30 years. Thank you.